Brian Castrucci is joining us now. He's the president and CEO of the Beaumont Foundation, here to talk about the role of public health to the COVID-19 pandemic. What is your foundation?
The Beaumont Foundation is a private philanthropy that is dedicated to helping communities achieve their optimal health. We were actually founded by Pete de Beaumont, who also founded Brookstone. When Brookstone started, it was about practical tools. We've taken that idea, and Beaumont really works to create practical tools to help communities in the areas of policy change, developing partnerships, and creating a strong public health workforce.
He is Dr. Brian Castrucci. He's an epidemiologist and the head of the Beaumont Foundation. So you brought a focus group together. What did you find?
I think we had a discussion. This is going to be a personal choice. So we don't really need debate. We need dialogue.
Last weekend, longtime GOP strategist Frank Luntz conducted a virtual focus group with 19 vaccine-hesitant Republicans from around the country. Luntz worked with the Beaumont Foundation, a public health nonprofit, to create pro-vaccine messaging aimed at conservatives.
Our next guest gathered Republican voters for a virtual focus group to find solutions. Joining me now is Brian Castrucci, an epidemiologist and head of the Beaumont Foundation, a public health nonprofit.
I want to bring in pollster Frank Luntz. Frank, thanks for joining us. I know you are really the point person in the industry for how to communicate effectively on vaccination. So for folks who are hesitant, you say what?
I tell them get it as soon as you can. There's still too much politics surrounding the virus. There's still too much noise. The Beaumont Foundation, who funded this research, made something very clear to me and to the people who are listening. Politics have no place in COVID. This is about science. This is about medicine and medications. This is about health, and the facts are clear and the presentation is clear. Simply changing the words changes our commitment to personal and public safety.
Vaccine hesitancy remains an issue, especially among Republicans. So can anything change those minds? The de Beaumont Foundation held 4 focus groups led by the pollster and former Republican strategist Frank Luntz. Here's Hari Srinivasan speaking with him and with Brian Castrucci. He's the president and CEO of the de Beaumont Foundation.
Brian, I want to start with you. Why did you do these focus groups? What were you hoping to learn?
We're hoping to learn how to reach people. If you have the right messages from the right messengers, you can save lives. What is going to get people to put aside some of their own personal concerns and make the choice to get vaccinated?